Hey guys, I'm Anunay and this is how to get the 60 McLaren Fingerprint animation on any 60. So first, open the Play Store and search for Settings Database Editor. Open the app and make sure you're on System Table. Find the line OP Custom Unlock Animation Style. And edit the setting to 3. And you're done. Now here's how to get the McLaren orange theme. Open up your settings and go to display. Go to accent color and choose a custom color. And type this hex code that I'm putting up on screen. Make sure the capitalization is right. And you're done. I have no idea why people haven't made any videos on this. You can unlock and try it out yourself. I can't do that because the recorder won't allow me to, so there you go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Expect more OnePlus 60 content. I know it's been in years since I've uploaded, but I'm focusing on technology videos now. Please like and subscribe if this video helped you in any way. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.